In this video, I'll show you how you can extract YouTube titles in bulk and do some basic analysis. First, head over to any YouTube channel's video page, right-click and select Inspect. Make sure you're on the Element, Styles and Console tab. If you don't see consoles at the bottom, click the three dots in the right-hand corner and select Show Console Draw. In the video description, you'll find two codes. Copy the first code, paste it at the bottom and hit Enter. After the videos load, paste the second code and hit Enter. Now you should see all the videos loaded into the console. Click on any of them and press Command A to select all and Command C to copy, and then head over to Excel or Google Sheets and paste your data. If you just wanted to know how to extract the titles, then you're all set. But if you are interested in doing some analysis, then stick around. In the description, there's a link to download a free template from my Gumroad. Open the link, scroll to the bottom, and where it says suggest a price, you can put 0, but if you feel like leaving a small donation, that would be greatly appreciated. Complete your email address and hit submit. Once you've downloaded the file to your computer, then go ahead and open it. If you are asked to enable macros, go ahead and do so, as this entire sheet is built on macros. If you wanted to know more about macros or how to use them, please check the video in the card above or in the video description at the bottom. Look for the Paste Year tab at the bottom and paste your info into the green cell. Then switch to the Controls tab and hit the black button that says Process and Clean Data. This will clean and format our data for us. After that, press the orange button that says Analyze YouTube Data. A new tab will appear with insights from the data. You can explore this analysis and pull your own insights, but this gives you a good starting point. Once you're done, press the red button that says Clean Data to reset the entire sheet. Any unsaved information will be lost. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you found this useful, and if you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing.